It was a fun night last night. About 2 o'clock in the morning or so, some thunderstorms rolled in. Where the shelter was, where we stayed, me and the other campers, or the hikers, we're down in this little valley, and so a lot of the wind and stuff went over top of us, but we could hear it blowing hard. Then about an hour or two later, it started raining. It poured all night long. Thunder, lightning, hard rain. It's really, really muddy on the trail this morning. Slick. But halfway through the night, heard this loud crash, and not too far from the shelter, a tree fell down. Woke everybody up that was staying at the shelter. The shelter was full, by the way. It was, the shelter was full of people staying there, and there was probably 8-10 tents around the shelter also. So, fun night. I did get some good sleep, though, with everything going on. But it's turned out to be a nice morning. Sun is shining. Just hit the trail with a couple of other hikers that I've met. Filtered some water. I'm ready for a good day today. Goal for today, a couple goals actually. Well, an option of 2 goals. One is to hike to Hawk Mountain Shelter, which is I think about 7.5 miles. Or we could go on to the next one, which is Gooch Mountain Shelter. But it's 12 point something or other. Right now that seems like a tall task. 12-mile day. The legs are tired, the knees are yelling at me a little bit. And so we'll see how the day goes, see how far we get. Might be Hawk Mountain, stopping at 7 and giving these knees some rest. The right one's been hurting a little more than the left, but we'll get through it. The old saying, no rain, no pain, no main. Well, last night there was rain. This morning with these knees, there's pain. So now we just got to get to Maine. Well, we made it to our campsite for the night. We went ahead and hiked on past Hawk Mountain Shelter to Hightower Gap, and found a little stealth site, set up our tents. A stealth site is not where a shelter is or a designated spot, but it's just a little clearing or a little flat spot off the trail that you can just set your tent up anywhere. So picked a little stealth spot. If you notice, I keep saying we did this. Met a couple hikers, and I met a bunch of cool hikers, but two in particular that we've hiked together. We're going at the same pace, and so we've I just hiked together all throughout this day. Two fellas, one, his name is Rod, and his trail name is River Runner, and he's 66 years old. The other guy is a fellow by the name of Dustin, and he doesn't have a trail name yet, and he's 25. And so, a nice range of ages, super cool guys. And we've been hiking together all day. Again, just hiking at the same pace. And so we got our tent set up, we've had dinner, and now we're just gonna relax before we settle in for the night. So first official full day on the AT. Tough hiking, but I love every minute of it. I'll see y'all later.